Again, India face very shameful performance. They are completely surrender. Completely surrender. Indian bowlers are surrender, and next Indian batsmen are surrender. No one player show the resistance. So India face tremendous defeat. Tremendous defeat. Shameful defeat. Listen carefully. India against South Africa T20 match in the World Cup. First, South Africa bat first. No one Indian bowler reaches them. The bowlers are completely surrendered, so the South Africa raised the total 187. After that, batsmen, our batsmen are also completely surrendered. No one batsman show the resistance, show their power. Again, India can face so tremendous defeat. Why such things are happen? This is noticeable. Yes, why such things are happen? That our players not show the resistance and they are completely surrendered and face the big defeats. Yes, you can see 4 or 5 months our player face the tremendous defeat. So share this to the maximum our cricket lovers so they know the reality of our player. Share and you will subscribe. Share.